So you already know the title and the thumbnail says it all. We're gonna step our fried rice game up. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey garlic chicken fried rice. You ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. Back here we have our chicken breast, and I cut these babies into little bite-sized chunks like that. We have our rice. It's already cooked and chilled. Guys, it's important when you make fried rice, don't make it the day of and then use it while it's hot. It's best to make it the day before, put it in the refrigerator, let it chill. You want chill rice. It just turns out better when you're cooking fried rice like that. We have some mixed vegetables here. We have some eggs, some seasoned salt, onions, salt and pepper, green onions, sesame oil, soy sauce, chopped garlic, and we have some honey here. So this is all you're gonna need. Let's jump into it. So to get started, we're gonna season our chicken with our seasoned salt and our black pepper. And we're just gonna get that mixed up like this. All right, let's move this aside, head over to our cooktop. All right, we're gonna start off by heating up our sesame oil. And we wanna bring this up to temperature. We wanna make sure it's hot before we add our chicken. Now, as you can see, our pan is hot. We're gonna start adding our chicken. And we're gonna cook this until our chicken is cooked all the way through. A few minutes after your chicken start cooking, you wanna go in with your onions and your garlic. And you want that to continue to cook. All right, so it looks like our chicken is good. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move our chicken to the side like this. We're gonna hit this with just a little bit more oil right here. And we're gonna add our eggs right here. And we're gonna get these babies scrambled right here inside this pan. And once we get that scrambled in there, we're gonna add all of it back together. And once we get those eggs mixed in, we're gonna come behind that with our mixed vegetables. And we're gonna cook this until they're tender. We're gonna do this all over medium heat. All right, so once those veggies are tender, you wanna go in there with your cooked rice. And you just wanna get this folded in. Making sure you break up any other rice clumps as you're cooking it. And you wanna make sure your temperature is up too. It should be cooked around a medium high. And once you get that all folded in, you wanna come behind that with your soy sauce, sesame oil, and your honey. And you're gonna continue to cook this for about another, 3 to 5 minutes until it's all well coated. All right, so it looks like we are there, man. Take a look at this rice here, man. Oh, man. All right, so let's turn our heat off and let's go over to our cutting board. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is gonna add some of those chopped green onions here to the top. Of course, this is optional, but we like that. We always like some green stuff on top. And there you have it. Honey, garlic, chicken, fried rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I know you guys like this one. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. So let's welcome you guys to quality control. Put some of that honey garlic chicken fried rice in the little bowl right here, man. We're gonna go ahead and get to it. I want everything on here. The egg, the meat, the rice, string beans, peas, carrots, and corn. And man, did I get it all. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about. Step your fried rice game up with this one here. Flavors coming out of everywhere. You know when I can't stop eating it. It's a triple winner. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything, and remember, not a chef, just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.